This set of A-Premium tire pressure sensors comes pre-configured for many late-model Ford and Lincoln vehicles, making them a convenient choice for full replacements or wheel swaps. They use a reliable radio frequency signal to feed tire pressure data directly to the vehicle, helping you spot underinflation early and avoid uneven wear or unsafe handling. Build quality is solid, with a sturdy housing and upgraded valve hardware that stands up well to road salt, temperature swings, and regular tire service. The internal electronics are designed for accurate readings and consistent communication, so the dashboard warning light behaves predictably instead of flickering or dropping out. Battery life is intended to last for many years of daily driving, which means you can install them once and not worry about frequent sensor failures. Although you still need to follow your vehicle's relearn procedure after installation, the lack of extra programming tools keeps the overall process straightforward for most home mechanics.